Number one mindset that you have to manifest your dream life. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into the video. Hey, guess what? I really would like you to like me, but I don't care if you don't like me. I really would like it. I feel like I'm a very nice person. I feel like I would love for you to like me and enjoy what I put out in the world, but I don't really care if you don't. Why? Because I have a vision for my life. My vision for my life is to, every single week, inspire millions of people. That's my vision. Now, I understand that we live in a world of polarity, positive, negative. There's positive people, there's negative people. There's people that are going to like you and support you. There's people that's not going to not like you and support you. And I understand that. So you may not like me, and that's all right. That's cool with me. Totally cool with me. You may have a very bad impression of me. All right, that's cool with me. I know what my intentions are. I know what my intentions are. I know who I am. I know what I want to be. And from there, do what you got to do. And that's what I invite you to have, that same mindset. Know what you want. Know what you want. Check in with your heart and your spirit to connect with that vision, to really feel the authenticity, the pureness of your intentions. And go after that. Be that person. Walk with your chest out, with your shoulders up high, with that smile on your face. Be so damn positive that some people won't like it. Be so damn committed to your dreams that some people won't like you. They'll feel threatened by you. They'll try to tear you down. They won't like that you have the car you want. You have your dream car. They'll say that you're greedy, you're a show off. You'll have your dream girl, your dream guy, and let's say you're too showy with your love in person. Maybe you'll have like a six-pack, or you'll have like a very nice set of buns, and somebody won't like it because they're jealous. But they won't tell you they're jealous. Instead, they'll just tell you that you're a show-off. You're an ASS. That's fine. You've got to understand, anything anyone says is a projection off how they feel. That's all it is. Anything anyone says is a projection off of how they feel. So they can like you. I hope they like you. I'm sure you're a really great person. As long as you don't intentionally harm, steal, kill, and impact somebody's life in that type of negative way, do your thing. That's why you're alive. And unless you have that level of mental freedom, you're always going to be attached to other people's opinions, to what other people think of you. And your success will never be your own. Even if you get the things that you want, it's always going to be about trying to please other people. And how do I look in this? And how do I look in that? I remember when I got my, I got a brand new Mercedes sports car. And I said something about it in a video, and somebody took offense to it. And they said, well, if you're making positive messages, you shouldn't have a nice car. So if I have something that helps people in the world, I shouldn't have nice things? No, it doesn't make any sense. For a second, your mind might have something like that, and then you want to believe what somebody else says because we want to be liked. Dude, if you know your intentions and you know you're a good person, do your thing. Let the seas part, walk on water, do your thing. And remember this. If somebody doesn't like you, it says more to do about the way that they view the world than it does about you. If somebody is willing to talk negatively, to spend the energy to negatively look down upon you, doesn't that say a lot more about what their priorities are than about you? You and you alone are the person that has to go to the grave in your skin. You and you alone are going to be the person that's going to sit with yourself when your life comes to an end. You and you alone are the person that tucks yourself into bed every single night and has to sit with yourself. And if you love who you are and you love what you're becoming and you love your goals and you love the way that you show up and you love the authenticity and pureness and heart that you live from, that is good enough. Because God is a totally unforgiving energy. God's not judging you. God's not holding grudges against you. Well, here's the tally marks. Are you going to get to heaven or are you going to get to hell? Newsflash, heaven's right here on earth. And you can live in heaven or you can walk in hell. You'll always walk in hell if you're trying to please other people. Comment down below. It's not my job to get other people to like me. It's my job to like me. That's your job. It's not your job to get other people to like you. It's your job to like you. And if you like you, amazing. Do your thing. Because that's the very thing that will set you free. Comment down in the corner. It's my job to like me, not yours. It's my job to like me, not yours. It's my job to like me, not yours. Really grasp that and see how much freedom that gives you in your life. It's my job to like me and you may not. That's cool. Thanks for watching this video anyways. You can just go leave your negative comments on someone else's video. You can leave them here. I won't read them and they won't affect me negatively either way. So it's all good. So when you, when you come from that energy, you're free. You got your vision, you got your goals, you got your desire to be a great person. And that's all you need. And remember, we live in this world of negative and positive. Some people will be on your side and some people won't. It's all good, it's all love. Download my free success hypnosis down below. jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. jakeshypnosis.com. If you have negative energy in your life, negative thought patterns even, negative belief systems, or just negative people that down your dreams, download that. jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. And use that to train your subconscious mind for success, for abundance, and prosperity. jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right over there. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos, so make sure you hit the bell notification even if you're subscribed already from the past. Bell notification, subscribe, comment down below. It's my job to like me, not their job. Have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching.